Google Street View is the go-to application for exploring places around the world, but it lacks an important ingredient that we take for granted day in, day out: sound. Sounds of Street View is an exploratory digital sound experience framework produced by Amplifon. It fuses Google Street View platform with Web Audio API to provide virtual reality three-dimensional soundscapes for everyone to use. Users can walk around landscapes containing a whole range of different sounds. When the user moves closer to an element emitting the sound, they hear it getting louder just as they would in the real world. Stereophonic output also creates a sense of direction, meaning that users are placed in a three-dimensional sound space. Sound to the left is heard from the left, sound from the right heard from the right. We also alter sound waves from behind the user. The shape of the human ear is replicated in Sounds of Street View, so that the experience truly reflects how sound is heard. Sounds of Street View is built upon a framework that we're open sourcing to provide developers with the means to easily craft their own experiences within minutes. With all of the scientific bones in place, even people with minimal coding experience can create fully functioning sound adventures for the rest of the world to enjoy. Sounds of Street View. Explore the world with sound.